Hi guys, today we will show you how to import Ethereum wallets or any ERC20 tokens to a Medooza wallet. With this unique feature, you can store and manage unlimited wallets and tokens that's built on the Ethereum ERC20 blockchain platform. To import external assets, first click on the Add Wallet/Coin. Under Ethereum icon, click Restore/Import button. Now you have a few options. Option 1 is just to see the wallet status and transactions history. For that, choose the address option, enter your wallet address and click Import. Now you can access and just watch the wallet status, founds and transaction history on the blockchain network. With option 2, you will have full control, buy, send, receive, access to wallet status and transaction history. Go to your original wallet and export it to UTC/JSON file. Choose to import key store file, UTC/JSON. Choose file from your local device. Enter the password you open the Medooza wallet with. Click Import. Now you will see the wallet address in your wallets list, and you will have full control to manage your funds from the Medooza wallet platform. You can rename the wallet name with your own name for easy access. Good luck.